So, last full day in Samui today before we head over to Phangan, which is straight in front of us. You can probably see it today. Hang on. Bam. There's no one out there beyond those trees. And that's where we're off to tomorrow. So we've got a bit of a travel day. It's absolutely cracking day today. It's about 31, cool breeze, just been in the pool. It's awesome. Yeah, so here's our little view from our little bungalow. There's Alina, she's raging, just checking on her phone. We're about to head out and find somewhere to watch some Australian Rugby League on TV. So that's one of the things about finding somewhere to live. You've got to make sure you've got a local boozer that's going to show the sport you want to watch. If it's FA Cup or like football, or you want to watch NFL or something, you've got to be able to find a place that's got the channels that you want to watch. So it's all part of the search, unfortunately, going to drink tins and watch footy, so that's part of it. But this is it. We'll be signing off from today. No more footage. Just showing you the last little slip of our cabino here. It's been nice. Waterfront hotel. It's about $40 a night, man. Pool, water, island off there, and the other islands of Samui over the side. So yeah, no, it's been awesome. Rightio, we'll sign off and we'll see you tomorrow morning, ready to get the boat over to Koh Phangan for another 7. Alright, the girls next door doing a bit of cleaning jobs, getting a bit cranky by the sounds of things, aren't they?
No, they're fine.
No, they're fine. Alright, last look of amazement and we're out. This kid is the boss. Facts, look out. This kid is friggin' amazing. You see the size of this kid? He's like 4 foot tall, man. He can only see over the thing. Bam! This kid is the absolute boss, mate. Oh well. Not a bad effort, brother. Yep. Here he is, he's back. Don't forget, this kid is sick, man. He's the boss. What happened? Oh. Oh, he's going for the poop stick. Fist pump for the boss. What's your name, boy? What's your name?
Winnie.
Hey?
Winnie.
Winnie. Yeah, you'll be winning, brother. Legend. Champion. So we're down at the wharf, heading off over to Phangan today. The full moon party's on today. We're not going to that area though at Hard Ren. We're heading up the other end. And so there's a couple of boats heading over there now with all the revellers. They're going to be raging all night, but we've got 7 days over there. It's going to be great, really looking forward to it. Handed the bike back this morning, so we're ready to go. Did 420 Ks in 6 days on Samui, so we've seen a fair bit of the place. And yeah, fallen in love with it, I have for sure. So yeah, just waiting for the boat. Take us over on a fast boat. It's about half an hour, cost 350 baht. And we'll get over the other side and check in and see what it's like. Okay, Lena's got this little snack from 7-Eleven while we're waiting for the boat. Just gone and have a bit of a look. What?
No, I can't. Oh,
What's the matter with them?
balls of perfume.
What, it tastes like perfume?
It's like eating.
I'll try the string.
Hopefully that might be slightly better. Give that a miss.
No.
It's probably better, but it's. I think this overpowers everything. And these, I thought, it's like tiny sweet caramelised potatoes.
Sweet caramelised potatoes.
And not. That's what it looks like a man tried, but a bit perfumey. And I think this one, yeah, probably slightly better. It's still, it's got that perfume smell. I think that just overpowers everything. This is probably okay for like miniature spaghetti.
The rest is pretty average.
Yeah.
Alright.
Not my favourite, I would say.
Alright, let's have a look. So this is the label. You get them at 7-Eleven. Traditional Thai dessert. Don't know what it's made out of. Looks a bit weird, so yeah. Lena's not a fan, tastes like perfume. Alright, we'll try something a bit later. See if we can get her back on side. Thanks, boss. Oi. All aboard down the back, mate. This one's all right.